Myself is Sujit Shrestha. I am a project coordinator of community education project. So we are here today to interact. Basically, our students will be giving presentation on what they will be doing in between Dosai and Tihar this time. And we expect our School of Arts students to provide some feedback on their work, on their proposed work, and give them some valuable suggestions so that our students will do some better work during their community field visit. So I would like to especially welcome Mr. Torisai. He is our project advisor, and he is a representative from Himal Partner. So he is the key person behind this project, and he is very encouraging and motivating throughout this project. And it's a big pleasure to work with him. Thank you, sir, for being here. And at the end, he will be also giving some closing remarks on his experience about this community education project till date. So our schedule is, first of all, I will be giving presentation on community education project, and then we have two presentation, that is environment and eco-friendly sanitary napkin development by Environment Science, and awareness program for local farmers on soil quality check and proper use of fertilizers by Environment Science students. And then after that we have a surprise today, since because there is one economic expert from Korea. He is an economic advisor. He is coming to our university, and luckily he is coming today. So we have also scheduled his presentation from 10 to 11. So he will be giving presentation on Korea experience of economic development and lessons for Nepal. So I hope this presentation will be very fruitful to you as well as for me also. Then immediately after that, we will again start the presentation from 11. And there are the list of students who will be presenting. So we'll have lunch at 1 p.m. We'll have lunch for 1 hour, and I request faculties and students from School of Arts for lunch, because we have provided you lunch in our KU canteen. So we'll have lunch for 1 hour, and immediately after that we'll again continue our students presentation. So it's a whole day program. I hope you will enjoy. Thank you very much. So, first of all, I will be giving presentation on community education project. So our students also need to know about the background and our objective of community education project, and especially School of Arts students, it will be very helpful for you, because we are organizing the program throughout the year. It's not only that we will call proposal and you have to apply. It's a 1 year program. So if you have a very good idea, you can come and meet us anytime. So it doesn't matter whether we have called for open call or not. If you have any idea, and then you can go in our identified area. So it's a very important for you also. So please listen carefully. These all the slides, and if you have any query, then you can immediately ask me after the presentation. So the project name is Community Education Project. It's a project of Kathmandu University, and I'm working as a project coordinator. So the background is basically this program is run by Kathmandu University, which intends to work in collaboration with national and international organizations and agencies. So the main motive of our project is to improve the quality life of community people. So this is our working model. We have academic activities, industrial economic development, as well as community rural development. So in academic activities, we generally mobilize our students, undergraduate as well as graduate students in different rural parts of Nepal. And industrial economic is related to, like, for example, there are many internship programs during the academic career of our students. So we think that our students will go to as an intern and have some training, and they return back, and then they provide service to our community. And the overall objective is to develop the community. So it's also an integral part of our working model. Now this is our outreach center. So basically we had an outreach center of Dolpa, Langtang, and Tamagosi. So when the project started, our identified area were Dolpa, Langtang, and Tamagosi. So these are the three main identified areas. So this is a recent peak of Langtang. We CEP team, along with the students of biotech as well as engineering, had a visit to Langtang. I'm also there with hat. So we were there for 1 week in Langtang area, and we were able to do some very good projects during our field recently during our semester break. This is Tamakoshi. So this is another identified area where we have been doing many community activities till date. And now we have extended our outreach center to our identified area to two different outreach center of our hospital, that is Solambu and Bahunepati. So this is the picture of Solambu. We CEP team visited, and there is also Dr. Ryan Koje, who is a acting director of the hospital. So we were there in Solambu, and we planned for different activities in the coming days. And now, luckily, we have four, five very good projects in Solambu. So this is the outreach center in Bahunepati. This is also of our Bilha hospital. So we were there, and now we are organizing some very good projects on this area also, Bahunepati. So the overall mission is to improve the quality of life. As I mentioned before, we generally mobilize our undergraduate as well as graduate students to improve the quality of their life. So we believe that if our knowledge, if our students can share their knowledge to the community, and then our community can be enhanced. So the project goals are generally when we mobilize our students to the field visit or in community, they gain practical knowledge. So this is our one of the major project goals, to establish and maintain link with the community. So when they go to the community, they have a very good interaction with the community, and they can interact and then identify the problems and solve their problems. So the overall goal is to solve the community. So one of the major activity of our project is the regular field visit of students. Generally, we take undergraduate, secondary students from electrical, computer, and mechanical to these different areas. For example, Tamarkashi and Langtang area. So in Tamarkashi area, our focused place is Singati and Sorikot, as well as in Langtang area, our focused place is Saparveshi, Gatlang, Lama Hotel, and